So you can search any number by typing that number in the search option. And if there is a chat that customer has interacted with you, you will be able to see that. Okay. But since there was no chat, so we are going to test that number. We just copy that number and just always remember to remove the country code, and the chat will open up. And you can, once you click on that particular chat, it will open up and you can scroll up and down and see the messages that customer has interacted with you. Okay. And these are all the inbox chats, which means when the customer messages you, you will be able to see all those chat over here. And these are filtrations for chat status, which is open, close. For reply status, you can see all the filtration by moving your cursor from left to right also. And response window is also there. You can see the filters from there itself by clicking on the filter icon. You can see the last message time. You can create a filtration from that. You can see all the spam chats. If you have marked any one of your chats as spam, you can assign people and you can have a filtration from there. So, sir, how we just put a filter for Ashad? And since there is no chat that has been assigned to Ashad, so you are not able to see anything, I will just show you how. If there is any chat assigned to myself, there is nothing. Okay, so we just remove all the filters, we just reset it. And now once I click on go to the Asini and I clear right Devinder. Okay, so any chat that has been assigned to Devinder, you'll be able to see all those chats. So right now, all these chats are there. And once it is dark green, that means the chat has not been read. And once it is light green, the chat has been read. Okay.